Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this wireless car charger slash phone holder. I really love it, guys. I use my phone all the time to use my GPS in my car, so this comes in handy. Basically, it has this little suction cup in the bottom, so all you have to do is just place it onto your dashboard of your car and it will stick to it. I'm going to show you how it sticks to it because it's actually very sticky and it's very strong material, so it keeps your phone very steady. Now, how it works, all you have to do is just press the buttons right here and it will open up like this, and then all you have to do is just place your phone like that. It will start charging and then it will start closing up, so just make sure that you put it correctly like this, and it closes up and it holds your phone, as you can see. So it has this little piece right here that comes with the suction cup that you can put on your dashboard, but it also comes with this little piece right here in case you want to put it into the air vent. So first I'm going to show you how it sticks to a surface, guys, and how it's super strong and steady. Now I'm not in a car right now, as you can tell, but I do have a small little video that I recorded inside my car while I was using this. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick it to a surface. It's stuck, guys. I'm not touching it, it's just stuck. You can move it up and down. So you can just move it up and down. You can turn it to the side in case the passenger wants to watch the video or wants to watch the GPS as well. You can turn it to the other side. So I really love this thing, guys. It's super convenient. Now, sometimes you use it to watch your GPS, guys, but other times you just want to relax, watch a TV show, movie, or sometimes a YouTube video inside your car. So I would definitely recommend this. And then whenever you want to take out your phone, all you have to do is press the little buttons on the side as well. It will open it up. You just take it out and bam. So as you can tell, guys, the suction cup is actually super sticky, so it's very good material. Now on this surface, it was a little bit harder to take off, but in your car, it's a little bit easier to take off. But it does have like a lock, a secure little lock right there. So all you have to do is just clamp it up like this and it will secure it in your car. It's just as strong, but in your car you are going to need to use this. In this surface, I didn't have to because it had already stuck to it and it was super strong and steady. Also, it does come with a little air vent clamp, so in case you want to take out the suction cup, all you have to do is just twist a little knob like this and it will take it out, and then all you have to do is disconnect it like that. And then for the air vent piece, all you have to do is put in the little knob like that, just stick it on like this, twist a little knob and it will be secured. So this is the air vent piece. So it has a little knob right here. All you have to do is twist it up and it will start opening like that, and then you can just place it in the air vent of your car. But yeah, guys, I would definitely recommend it. I absolutely love it. You can use it inside of your house, you can use it in your car, you can view the GPS, you can watch videos, you can watch movies, TV shows, anything that you would like. I absolutely love it, guys, and I would definitely recommend it.